Hey guys, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today we are hanging out in the parking lot. I want to show you a lot of the cool projects that we have going on right now at Weldtec Designs, and a lot of what we are building are these F550, F600 chassis. These things are amazing. Maybe you've been out to one of the shows lately that we've been at, been able to go and see it. We've also had the opportunity to take a lot of people for test drives to really show them the difference that Weldtec Design suspension makes on a big coach like this. And you can see behind me, this is a brand new 2026. This is a Forest River coach that we are gonna be doing a 5-inch kit on. I have another Thor Omni right behind it that we are doing a 3-inch kit on, all with Kings, and even did all of the blue coloring to match the coach. So really, depending on what you're looking for, we can really achieve your overall build goals with these coaches. I mean, you can see that we have one of the coaches back here as well. We're gonna actually be doing some really cool things to this, something that to me, I feel like no one else is doing. And then over here as well, we have the new Entegra. This is a Golden State edition. We're gonna be doing a ton of upgrades to this. This is going to be an awesome build. You definitely need to make sure you subscribe to the channel because there are gonna be so many cool products on this coach, and this coach could be possibly sitting in your driveway when we're all done with it, as it will be for sale, ready to go with a ton of Weldtec Designs upgrades. It's gonna be fun, it's exciting. I'm definitely excited to try all of these new things and really put them to work on this coach. I got to drive that thing for about 500 miles this weekend on picking it up, and oh my gosh, it definitely could use some Weldtec Designs love. But let's go back to this. This is the east to west Bravado. And I want to tell you guys another thing. All of these products that I'm going to be talking about, whether it's a rear bumper, a front bumper, our suspension, a lot of the information that you may be questioning is going to be located at on our website. I will, on the product pages of our website, and I will put links down below so you can head directly over to the website, click on the specific product that you're looking on through these links. And if you have more information, definitely use the phone number, give us a call, send us an email, or more importantly, I would recommend you use the Calendly links on our website as well. Set up a free 15-minute appointment where we can really go over your build and figure out what it is that you are trying to achieve. Let's talk about this though for a minute, guys. As we come to the back of this, there is a ton of disgusting going on, I'm gonna say. So let's talk about this from a couple different standpoints. First of all, just visually, the aesthetics of this is so unappealing. The bumper itself, and really it's not even a bumper, guys. Let's call this what it is. It's a sewer hose holder on the back of your coach. I feel that if you wanna hold a sewer hose, there's so many better ways to do it other than this. Now granted, you're gonna see this on a lot of the new models, including the new Thor Magnitudes and Omnis in the Omni Grand, that they no longer have the rear cap like this one has. It's all going to be a traditional, like what I'm gonna say, Class C style front end or rear end, where it's just a flat back versus this cool cap. I do like the cap. I think that it adds a lot of like look to the coach that is kind of sexy. Let's not be, it is pretty nice. But on this, to me, this is just, it's disgusting. Now let's talk from a safety standpoint. Unless, like, hopefully you're used to driving a coach this big, but also let's be aware of like other people not paying attention these days. If you were to get rear-ended, like the car is, first of all, it's gonna go under the coach and it's gonna completely like destroy your body. So from that aspect of just pure safety, I definitely encourage you to do one of our rear bumpers. And hopefully you've even seen like what we're doing on the back of these. Even if you just want a single rear bumper, we're doing that. I'm gonna do a whole redesign on this bumper. This thing is going to be really cool. So you're gonna have to come back and check that out, what we're doing on this. Back here, but I just wanted to show you kind of the craziness. I will tell you, I think on the Entegra, they did a lot better job of placing this whole bumper, at least at the bottom of it. It doesn't have the huge void. Now, what I think they're trying to accomplish here is to get the body to sit lower on the coach so that it's not raising the center of gravity up so much. But you know, with the right suspension on it from Weldtec Designs, does that all really even matter? But just kind of want to show you the craziness of before. I'm going to show you all of the cool stuff that we're doing. I really want to do more videos if you guys like this kind of stuff of like what we have going on. And let's just go a step further on this as well. I want to show you this. I don't think I've mentioned this in many of the other things. So you're going to notice this giant boxes of Fox shocks behind me. And look at this, just sexiness. So Fox shocks, these are the 2.5 remote reservoir, dual stage compression adjusters as well. So we have the option to run a King or Fox shock 2.5 on these big F-Series coaches. So you're not just stuck with just a King. You can do either one. So maybe you have a preference, or maybe it's just color. This particular person, because of the dark colors on their coach, want the dark colors of the shock. And a lot of this stuff is all somewhat customizable depending on what you want to do. Our goal is to build you a really unique coach that's going to serve all of your needs at a price point which is very reasonable. That's really the big goal here at Weldtec Designs. But as we come in here, I want you guys to take a look at just the massive size of these springs. Check out all that arch in the spring. That thing is a monster. You can also see we're getting rid of the secondary spring in there. I feel like a lot of these coaches ride really rough on that secondary spring. We're still able to tow, you know, that 12,000 pounds with this coach, and it's doing a really good job controlling the ride. Of course, I got all kinds of more things in my back pocket that you guys are going to want to see that we're doing on these. It's pretty exciting. But you can see as we look over here at this one now, you can see the shocks are all in there. You can see that giant spring pack. You have your 2.5 King. You have your compression adjuster here. All of the components that are all included in this kit. I mean, this is just sexiness on the back of this. So again, no more secondary spring on there as well. So a lot of really cool things. Guys, if you like this sort of content, just kind of checking out what we're doing, what we're building here at Weldtec Designs, you know, let me know. Comment down below. Be like, dude, I love this stuff. This is rad. You can see all the blue. I mean, this is just sexy. And now here, keep in mind, guys, I want to go over a couple things. So for instance, this dual steering stabilizer on there, you don't necessarily have to have all the suspension to be able to do that. A lot of these components are designed to work with even your stock suspension in making it better. And that's going to be like one of the things that we're going to talk about. Even with that Entegra that comes with a 2-inch lift on it, the ways that we're going to make that particular coach even ride better is going to be really cool in that whole video series that we're going to be doing strictly around that particular coach. So that's all I got. Look at this, just thing never stops ringing. So, which is a good thing, because if it did, I don't know what I would be doing. I'd just be hanging out with you guys, watching somebody else on YouTube maybe. Cool front bumper going on this. We're going to be blacking out the grills. It's ridiculous the amount of cool stuff that we are doing on these coaches. You can see we got compartments open because we have even more things that we are building for these. And I can't say enough that it's exciting. Thank you guys for all of the support. Thank you for loving what we are doing here with this F-Series platform, building these giant motorhomes. It's pretty exciting to me. And guys, if you have any questions, just let us know. Again, gave you guys a couple ways to contact us, whether it's giving us a call, sending us an email, or setting up that Calendly appointment in order to set up a dedicated 15-minute uninterrupted time with you. That's the goal, spending more time with you so that you can spend more time to be driven further. But that's all I got. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments down below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video, right? See ya.